Hi everyone, it's Deborah, and I want to give you a little bit of a tutorial on the KSCraft Notepad, the 3x3 sticky notepad holder. Someone asked me if the front and the back is, different size. How do you make it fit? So there's a method to it for sure. And I know that the samples I showed last week did not take into consideration that you really need to glue down a line. So I'm going to go ahead and fold this. I've already cut them out because my die cut machine shakes my table, and it's a table that I film. So I'm going to go ahead and do this, with them already cut out. Okay, so you're going to see that the front cover is shorter than the back cover, but you have to take into consideration that the pin is going to be here. So let me go ahead and pop that pin section out. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue these two pieces together, and then you see that it fits. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do that now, even though I'm not gluing the front and back. So let me show you again. Once again, I'm going to glue these two pieces together to the back. So I'm going to put glue right here on this one. Well, if my glue works, we'll see. And then glue right here. Now I haven't put, the layers on it or anything, and I hope that's going to work. It may not. We'll see. We shall see what happens. I cut out a bunch, so if I mess up on this one, I have some others to work on. But anyway, this will make the front and the back cover even now. Okay. Let me make sure that this, I don't have my, well, let me get my bone folder real quick. That will help. I just want to make sure that these are smoothed down really well to glue. Okay. So now the front and back are even. And then when you put your pin in it, it's going to make it more even anyway. Okay, so what I'm going to do, this time, I know last time the ones I showed you did not have, I did not cover the inside, but I'm going to cover the inside on these too, and the outside, and just, make it look prettier. I probably should have glued that afterwards, but that's okay. And now with this, I'm actually going to use a tape runner just to make it easier. This is a front cover. I mean, you could glue it down. Ooh, I'm off camera. Sorry about that. But I'm going to use a tape runner just to make it a little bit easier. So, guys, you may want to glue those two things down after you've put everything together, because now it's gonna be a little harder to put it together, but that's okay. So there we go. There's that front cover. You can still, even though that's glued, you can still open it up really well. Okay, but you see the problem with me gluing it down? Now I'm not going to be able to put this in there unless I trimmed it down. So don't do what I just did. Glue later. So we'll start over in a minute. We'll correct that in a minute. Let me go ahead and put my back. Oh boy, did I cut? Yeah, I did. That's all right. Put that one there. I hope you guys are having a great day. Okay. All right. So I can't put the other one that I made on here without... Actually, it won't mess up the pen guide. Let's see. Even if I cover... No, it won't. Okay. Yay! So I'm going to make it work. We'll see if it works. If not, then we're going to do it the other way. I'm going to show you both ways. So it's kind of over that. And then I've got to put this one on. So then it's covered on the inside and the outside. Guys, I really think you should glue it afterwards though too. So we're going to do one more that we glue it afterwards instead of, we'll put the inside and outside in first and then, yeah, let's see real quick. Is it going to be okay? Let me grab a pen. I know that's not the right color pen, but that's what I have. Yeah. But you need to glue it afterwards, for sure. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put... Which one did I... Which color? Give me just a minute. Can't remember which color I'm putting in this one. Doing that one. And then okay, so we're putting this one in. Okay. Let me put this notepad in real quick. Kind of crooked. All right. So there we go. There's that. And you could put something on the front if you want. I would kind of leave it at that point. So let's do another one without gluing. Let me get my stuff together. I need 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And then here is my pad. So I'm going to do this color now. Okay. So this is my front. This is my back. Okay, we're going to go ahead and fold those, and then we're going to go ahead and pop this out this way and fold it that way. Okay, I am not going to glue it down. I'm not going to glue this area down yet. I'm going to wait now like I should have done in the first place. Okay, so I'm going to cover everything first. So go ahead and hopefully I'm on camera. You guys, if you're selling these, you definitely want to go ahead and probably glue it. I think this tape runner is strong enough. I really do. But, you know, you want them to stay together, all right, or whatever. So this is the back. I'm going to go ahead and glue that down while I have it flat like that. Oh. I'm going to put this one on the inside. I just noticed something I did. So, anyway, Get this one. Hurry up and get this done so I won't make this video too long. Okay, and then I'm going to flip it over. This is the inside, so this is your front cover. And that's going to go this way. Let's see how well this works. Pardon my desk. My desk is a mess, as usual. Okay, this one's going to go here. Remember, this is the inside. And I kind of messed up. There was a tab at the top of the page, and I cut that, but we'll be all right. I'll cover it with the little notepad, or maybe just put a little flower or something. This is just for you guys to see, just for a tutorial. Okay, and there we go. And then at this point, I need to glue those two tabs down. So they're going to be glued on the paper now. That makes sense better than, and see, ooh, let's see real quick. Once I glue those down, then the covers match. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and glue those down right here. I'm telling you, these are so easy. Easier than when we used to cut it out ourselves, for sure. I would end up with a thing crooked and all kinds of stuff. So now this just makes it so much easier. And I hope y'all can get one if you decide to get one. Okay. So I'm going to pop a pin in there real quick, just to kind of keep it in shape while I put the notepad in there. Okay. And I just glue, I just use the tape runner on this. They're not going to be able to use this last sheet because of that, but I mean, you could put some chipboard on it if you wanted to, but you're adding to the cost when you do that, so be careful. All right, there you go. There you have it. Cute, huh? So glue it afterwards, and then they end up matching. So, okay? Hey, if you have any questions, pop a question down below in the comments section. All right, hope you like these. I love them. Great for craft fairs. Talk to you later. Bye.